born of power and efficiency. Holding the world record for the highest thrust at 134,300 pounds. Engineered with the environment in mind. Fewer fan blades provide greater efficiency. It's all in the numbers. This is the General Electric GE9X. The GE9X is the largest and most powerful commercial aircraft engine ever built, incorporating advanced technologies that enable more efficient, quieter and with fewer emissions. Designed specifically for the new twin-engine Boeing 777X family, the GE9X is the most fuel-efficient engine in its class, delivering unmatched reliability and performance. Innovation is in General Electric DNA. Like every engine that they have ever built, new technologies and materials incorporated into the design are key to delivering the world-class reliability, efficiency, and performance. Engines are renowned for this blend of evolutionary and revolutionary designs enables the GE9X to be the most fuel-efficient jet engine General Electric has ever produced on a per pounds of thrust basis. The GE9X powering the Boeing 777X airplane family provides a 5% specific fuel consumption improvement versus any twin-aisle engine available. Delivers up to 10% specific fuel consumption improvement versus the GE90-115V engine. Achieves an approximate 10-to-1 bypass ratio plus a 60-to-1 overall pressure ratio and margin to stage 5 noise limits. GE9X incorporates more than 65 CMC components, the most of any commercial aircraft engine to date. These CMC components weigh a third of conventional parts yet are twice as strong for greater durability. Leveraging additive manufacturing, GE9X combined more than 300 engine parts into just 7 3D printed components, resulting in less weight. Additive manufacturing also provides engineers with more creative freedom, fundamentally changing the design of the GE9X engine produces half the NOx of any engine in its class at a level that is less than half of current requirements. The GE9X has had the most extensive technology maturation program in the history of aerospace to ensure world-class reliability and performance at service entry. Prior to installation, components undergo rigorous testing at specialized facilities around the globe. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.